All right, so quick poll in the room. How many of you think that a sales funnel is actually a series of web pages? It's okay if you say yes, because I think that is definitely what mainstream thought process is about what a funnel actually is and what a funnel actually does. But I want to challenge you to think about funnels in a different way. Now, of course, there are different types of funnels, whether it be for selling things, whether it be for getting emails, whether it be for webinars or things of that nature, but they all have one thing in common. It is words on a page, on a web page, and there are a series of steps that one would go through, which is what the funnel idea came from, right? But here is my question to you. What is the purpose of a funnel? Now, I don't want to just give you the answer, but this change in mindset after we determine the answer to this question is actually going to help your funnels be more successful, because every business needs a funnel, but everyone thinks of a funnel as, okay, there's this page and you get a free PDF and then you go to a webinar, or then you schedule for a book call or something of that sort, right? Like that's just the cliche version of how everybody thinks about it. But what if I told you a funnel is simply a customer journey? So what does that mean? And what does that mean for your business? Every single business needs a funnel. Now, you're going to have a multitude of funnels. This isn't going to be just one funnel. For instance, your social media is going to funnel to your website, or funnel to your free lead magnet, or funnel to booking a call, or funnel to another social media profile. It's a customer journey. So every single step of your business process is part of some funnel, some stage. And what happens is your business becomes a series of funnels, and whether that be before they're a client, becoming a client, or after they've already become a client, all businesses is a series of customer journeys, and those are your funnels. So when people say like, oh, funnels are dead, websites are dead, all this email marketing is dead, these are all just customer journeys, and they're funnels, because what happens is you have to account on the back end for what happens when people go through the funnel, when they fall out of the funnel, when they, all these things. And if you're able to accurately account for what happens on somebody's customer journey, then you are going to have higher conversion rates, because you're going to be able to track not only the people who are successfully going through the funnel, but the people who are not as well. So this is just something to think about, because I have been trying to figure out how to say this kindly, but stop thinking about funnels and start thinking about the customer journey, and inevitably your funnels are going to be more successful. So tell me what you think below. Curious what you have to say about this as well. Have a good day. So that's it for this training, but your funnel building journey doesn't stop here. Every training in this video series comes with a plug and play framework that you can get access to through My Business Success Vault. So you don't have to think about it. You just click and you're good to go. But that's not all that's in the vault. There's also courses, digital downloads, other pre-built frameworks, and trainings on different AI tools and automation to help keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. The best part is the Business Success Vault comes with a 7-day free trial. And you have full control over your membership status at any time, no hassle, no commitment. So if you're ready to take the guesswork out of growing your business on ClickFunnels, then click the link below and start implementing with ease. See you there.